Hello everybody, today we are hot air drying VW Crafter 2019 diesel particle filter, which we have washed this. It's untouchable, so hot. It's being dried at 250 degrees Celsius. I done a twice procedure of drying because water can be very bad for the diesel particle filter. We do different DPFs, truck DPFs, off-road machinery. We do any kind of DPFs. Please give me a call. We are the masters. This is who we are. Also, we are known as, we are RAC approved garage, and we are also known as Moorhouse Garage Ltd. You can reach me on 07533636194 with your DPF, EGR, AdBlue, NOx problems, any kind of issues. We're the masters. Thanks for watching.